So we're here in Tunkhannock, PA, and we're looking at their clean stone. And here's some thermal, full color, thermal blue. That's what they're really known for. And then we have the natural clef, so you get the character, full color, so you get variety, blue and browns and darker colors. And then here we have natural clef blue. Some good texture on it. Here's some tumble, kind of a paver look. And then here, someone did some cutting to really do a random design. Really cool. It's got to take some time. And then here, they left bigger joints and broke them. So there's some options for you to consider if you're thinking about some. Here we have a kind of a fieldstone wall, really cool. But it's probably, I'm sure it's flagstone. Just to give you an idea, this is like a landing area where they will load trucks to ship all over the United States. And it's just really cool stone. So we're in kind of the heart of the Pennsylvania bluestone area, which is where our original sidewalks came out of. The big slabs that are like 4 inches thick and they're 5 feet by 8 feet. They came out of a town near here. So this is pretty close. And that was about 105 years ago. So we're getting more stone to replace some, and we'll talk more about that later. But that just shows you all the different options. Very cool stuff. This is the real blue here. Okay, we're gonna go get loaded and get traveling back.